Linux machine by opening or fire up. Then the first group is what? I think cells, right? The first group is cells. So get that, enter. Then you do the same thing. Okay. Then the next one is marketing. Marketing, yeah. And the next one is IT. IT. Okay. Yeah, and lastly HR. Okay, so we are good to go in terms of creating the groups. So let's check what the questions were. We'll go to the question once again. All right, so on this we are done with creating the users. Okay, so we are supposed to assign these users to their respective groups. So let's quickly get to that now. Let's go to adding our users to the group. So first of all, let's clear off this small letter clear, right, to give us a better experience. So to add users to our group, we'll have this command user modification in full, then space dash a capital G, right, space, then the group name. The group name, let's say we are using cells, right, and who are we adding to cells from our assignment? We are adding Alice. We're adding Alice, so that is it. So I've added that. We'll go again. Still on sales. Who are we adding? We're adding Bob. Okay, enter. So we are done with these two people that were assigned to join sales. Then the next is marketing. So we are going to change the sales to marketing. Same code. Marketing. Then space the users Charlene, right? Enter. Same for marketing. We have Diana. All right. So the next one goes to IT. All right. So IT space if, right? So IT also goes to Frank. Did we really create this Frank? I guess yes. Okay. Okay. So next is HR. Okay. Okay. HR. Going to remove IT and use HR. And HR Grace. Okay, small letter. It's Grace. Enter. Then last but not the least, Henry. Henry is also a member of HR. So you can see you have succeeded in creating user group, creating users, and also creating groups. So now take a look at what does it really mean in reality, in real life. In real life, in enterprise, you may not really call it group, you might call it department. I call it section, I call it anything. So it's for you to know that okay, when we have new users, I'm going to create a user, I'm going to create an account for them, and that is what we have ended up doing. So at the end of the day, we have gotten all this now. So let's move to the next phase. See if all that we have created, we have succeeded in doing it. So this, we are going to list out all the users and the group to see what we've done so far, if it's really worked. So what we'll do is we go to get in empty space group, okay, and enter. You should be able to see all the users and the group that we've created so far. Unfortunately, we have created groups in the past, so and the system also have its own inbuilt groups and users. Like I told you the last time, users are not only human or assigning human to an account. It could also be system programs. So users is an entity that has the ability to manipulate, process data. So system has its own inbuilt users. So you can see a lot there, which I said that the user ID starts from 0 to 999. So anything that has to do from 0 to 999 has to do with system users and our groups, and also the users in the group. So you can see from Alice has taken 1001 as the group ID. Bob, Diana, Charlene, Eve. So I think we did Charlene 2 times with no problem. Can remove that. So Henry, Grace. So now the groups we have is actually cells. You can see cells, and in that cells it has ID number of 1010. And how many people are there? 2. Alice and Bob are working in cells. Congratulations to them. Then marketing has group ID of 1011. And who are these people in the marketing department or marketing group? Charlene and Diana. And IT has user number of 1012. And you can see Eve and Frank. Lastly, HR have 1013, Grace and Henry. Okay, so we have ended up creating our groups and users and assign these users to a particular group.